Hi, welcome to Trader's Diary. This is my journey to become a better trader. In this video, I will show you how to trade head and shoulder and inverted head and shoulder, including entry, stop loss, and how to estimate profit target. Head and shoulder is when an uptrend makes a new high, pulls back, finds support, bounces back up, makes another higher high, but pulls back again to the same support neckline before attempting to make another higher high but fails and pulls back to the neckline again and breaks below it. This is a topping process. The head and shoulder top is confirmed when price breaks below the neckline. This signals trend reversal to the downside. The best entry point is here. Stop loss is placed just above the last swing high before the breakout in a lower time frame. For example, if you are trading the daily chart, then use the last swing high in the hour chart. Inverse head and shoulder is essentially the flipping image of head and shoulder to the downside. It is a bottoming process. The pattern is confirmed when the price breaks above the neckline. This signals trend reversal to the upside. The best entry point is here. Stop loss is placed just below the last swing low before the breakout in a lower time frame. Let's look at an example. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Price break below neckline, head and shoulder pattern confirmed. Next, we can use the amplitude between the top of the head and the neckline to estimate the profit target. From my back testing, the highest probable target is often just before the last major high or low. Entry will be at the first candle that closed below the neckline. Stop loss set just above the last swing up before the breakout. It is easy to identify any pattern when it is in front of our eyes. Let's try to do it in replay. The uptrend continues making higher highs. Here is a fake out. Price falls below last high. In actual trading, I don't know how the price would unfold. So I will draw support here because if price falls below this support, it would confirm a double top. Having the support drawn, I can see the double top confirmation when it happens. As for the fake out, I will enter a position here with a 2-to-1 P/L. Fake out is the easiest and profitable pattern to trade for beginners. See my video on how to trade fake out here. Let's continue to see how price develops. Price bounces off at our support. This further confirms our support's validity. The price breaks below our support. Here is left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This confirms the head and shoulder top pattern is completed. Now we use the amplitude from the midpoint between the tops to the neckline to estimate our profit target. Best entry is here, and the stop loss at the last swing high. Based on my back test, I like to set the profit target near but above the last low. In this case, it is 3x the amplitude. I will leave my profit target back test playlist link in the description below. Our profit target is reached. You would have double the profit if you trade the fake out, too. Let's look at an example of inverse head and shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline. Let's zoom in and set the replay for back test. Downtrend continues making new lows. Here is a fake out, a possible trend reversal. I would enter a long position here, stop just below last swing low, targeting 2-to-1 P/L. Here is a neckline or resistance. If price breaks above it, then trend change is confirmed. Price closed above the neckline. This is my inverse head and shoulder confirmation. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now I can use the amplitude from the tip of the head to the neckline to estimate profit target. My entry is here at the close of this candle. Stop is just below the right shoulder. Like the last example, I set my profit target near but below the last high, at 4x the amplitude. And I will move the profit target of the fake out trade up to 4x the amplitude too. Price reached beyond 1x target, and successfully retested and continued to rally. So I will move up my stop to reduce my risk to 0. Let's see how the price continues. 4x profit target reached. I recommend beginners to practice recognizing the different technical patterns using chart replay. This will help you discover many more trading opportunities while the patterns develop and confirm, and eventually help you develop your own rule-based trading strategy. That's all for this video. Write in the comment below if you have questions on the strategy shared here. If you find value in this video, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. Let's get better at trading. Thank you for watching.